We're going to be going up with our arms and folding over. Here we go. Up and over and pulse 2 times and pulse 2 times. Again, up. Remember, it's our warm up, so don't push yourself yet. And pulse and pulse. Again, up and over and pulse and pulse. One more time. Up and over and pulse and pulse. All right, we're going to lunge back. Here we go. Lunge, 2, 3, and touch. 1, 2, 3. Again. Keep it gentle. If your hamstrings are sore, keep it gentle. Other leg. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One of the more important things is to keep your weight on the back leg to evenly distribute your weight and keep pressure off your front knee. One more time. All right, put your feet nice and wide for squat. Squat, squat, and squat back, and roll it. Let's do it again. Squat, keep it gentle, and squat back, roll up. 2 more sets. Make sure your weight goes into your heels, and flat back, roll up. One more time, and flat back, roll up. All right, we're going to lunge to the side. Here we go. Lunge. Now we're going to add the arm 2 times. 1, 2. Do it again. No arm. 1, 2. Now add the arm. 1, 2. Other side. Squat. Sorry, lunge. And add the arm 2 times. 1, 2. Again. No arm. Now add the arm. All right, we're going to go back to top. Feet together. And up. Now we're going to cut it in half. Do everything in 2s. And pulse. And pulse. And up. This time, really reach the floor a little bit more. Reach, 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 reach. Pulse. And pulse. All right, lunge back. 1, 2, 3, and touch. Go a little bit lower with the knee in the back. Switch legs. One more time, touch it in. All right, let's do our squats. Go just a little bit lower. Gotta make sure we're warmed up. Flat back. Roll up. 1, 2, and flat back. And roll up. Right to the side. And twist, add the arm. 1 and 2. Switch sides. 1, 2. Now add the arm. 1. From the top, one more time. Feet together. Up. Forward fold. Really reach the floor. This is where you want to kind of push yourself to warm up. Up. And over. Reach. Pulse. And pulse. All right, lunge back. 1, 2, 3. A little bit lower, a little bit deeper. Switch legs. 1, 2, 3. Touch. All right, feet nice and wide for squats. Go a little lower. There we go. Squat back. Roll up. One more time. Gotta make sure we're warmed up. And squat back. Roll up. Lunge to the side. 1, 2. Add the arm. 1, 2. Other side. Last good stretch. And over. And over. Good job. Okay, I'll let you guys choose. Do you want to do 2 rounds or 3 rounds? Remember, if we do 2 rounds, we do a little bit more. If we do 3 rounds, we do a little bit less, but it all equals out about the same.
How many is each one?
I'm not going to tell you.
I didn't know what I'm getting myself into.
But I'll let you choose.
Let's do 3.
3? Okay. We're going to start with our butts. Remember, you can do it on the floor, on the mat if you want, or you can hold them to a chair. I'll be doing it standing, because that's just how I prefer to do my butts. So go ahead and grab a bar, or a chair, or go onto your mat. one good thing about having taught dance for so long, that you at least have a bar or two hanging around. Okay, so we're gonna do some butts here and some abs. So let's go ahead and just kind of get started. You can just follow along. Just remember the biggest point is when we're doing our butts, make sure you lean forward more if you feel any pressure on your back, or lean over your chair more if you feel any pressure. You should not feel anything back here at all. So if I say lean forward, I need to get your belly button forward or push your hips forward. If I see lean forward, you can also come in, lean down more. You don't want anything back here, okay? It should all be in your butts and hamstrings. Let me know if there's any problems, of course.
I don't know if your headset is on, Paulette. I can barely hear you.
Maybe I don't have it up high enough. Hold on, I got it on. Oh. Okay, now that I know where it is. How about now? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jen says yes. Jenilyn says maybe. Is your volume all the way up, Jenilyn?
Maybe my volume is low. Sorry.
That's okay. Can you hear me okay?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. All right, so pick whatever leg you want to start with for your torture and for your workout. All right, we're going to do donkeys. So donkeys, your knees are down. Heel flex, you're going to pulse it basically up. So again, make sure you lean forward. If you pull back, you're going to feel it in your back. Make sure you go forward. All right, ready? We're going to do 12. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now pulse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, side parallel. So it's kind of like fire hydrant. Ready? Here we go. You gotta lift and down. 3, 4, 5, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold it there. We go pulse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, you're going to turn out the knee behind you. That's all we're going to do. We're going to go knee down, knee out. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. In, out. 2, 3. Really make sure it's behind you. Otherwise, you might not feel it as much. Do you have a count? Anyone?
9, 10, 12.
12. All right. We're going to switch legs. Take a quick break from that leg. Donkey pulses. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Pick it. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pulse it up. Here we go. Pulse. 2, 3, 4. 11 and 12. All right, side. We're going to do side lift. Ready? 5, 6, 7, lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. For some reason, I'm already sore in my butt. Anyone else? Just me?
Me too.
Okay. Of course, now I lost count.
11
And 12. All right, pulse it up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, put the knee behind you. We're going to do turn out and turn in. Here we go. Turn out, turn in. 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Can you switch it out a little bit? You can switch it out like this. Bend your knees, flatten your back. Say it one more time. Yeah. So last one. Hold on a second. So you're here. So instead of being here, you have to be a little further back. You're going to turn out and in. So instead of being right here. So that's all it is, a slight lift. Turn, knee out. Yeah? Okay. Cool. All right, everyone else okay? All right, you have a little bit more butts to do. Man, I'm already feeling it. Okay, we're going to do what's called wag the dog. So I'll face this way. Basically, your legs behind you. And you're just going to make like a little circle, half circle. So you're making like a U with your leg. All right, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that's right, Geraldine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, now you're going to bring some kung fu. Bring the knee in. And you're going to hi-ya back. Well, you don't have to hi-ya. I'll do the sound effects for you. Ready? Here we go. And kick. Hi-ya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now we're going to keep it back there and just pulse it up. Here we go. And pulse up. 1, 2, 3. So let's like this. 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Woo! Other side. All right, we're going to wag the dog. So we're making little U's or little half circles. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All right, now kung fu. We're going to bring the knee in and straighten. Here we go. And hi-ya. 1, 2, 3. The trick on this one is keeping the knee up as much as possible if you really want to feel the burn. All right, Gerald, what count are we on? 10, 11, and 12. Now keep back there and let's pulse it up. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, can you stretch it out? Stretch it out. What?
You did 3 rounds.
I know. That was, I think you, Jen. Let's take a mini break and do some abs. All right, we're going to do some reaching for the stars. So we're going to lay on our mats or on your floor. Okay. Now remember, when you do this, if you feel any pressure in your neck, then you support your neck with your hands. You want to think about your skin. I know it feels so great, gross, right? Rolling over as you're doing this, make sure you're actually grabbing the abs. So, legs are up. We're going to do reaching for the stars. So you're going to pull your shoulders up, and you're just going to reach up to the ceiling. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Reach 1, 2, 8, 9. If you need to put your hands back here, you can. 11 and 12. All right, we're going to do calnetics next to really work on the deep muscle tissue. So now you're going to grab your inner thighs for dear life. You're going to hold on to a cliff and slowly roll yourself up, elbows lifted. Rest your chin. If you need to put your hands here, you can. Otherwise, put your hands to the side. And 50 pulses, 5, 0. Ready? Here we go. Pulse. 1, 2. Again, they're micro pulses. 13, 14, 15. If you're going to tie with your neck, you can put your hands here. 29, 30, 31, 32. 40, 41, 42. 48, 49, and 50. Woo! All right, dead bugs. If it hurts your back at all, you can put your hands under your hips. Otherwise, you can put your hands by your side. Dead bugs. Your knees are parallel, kind of above your hips. You're just going to touch the floor with your feet, like so. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. If you need more of a challenge, put your legs out more. 8, 9, 11, we're almost there, and 12. Woo! All right, now when you come up, remember you don't want to hurt your back, so usually you want to turn to the side and then come on up this way. All right, ready to go back on your feet for some butts?
Whatever.
Because we got 2 more rounds. One leg, that's up to you, you don't have to. Get your space. We're all good? All right, pick a leg. We're going to start donkey kicks. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Let's kick it up. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12. Now pulse it up. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we're going to do side parallel. So we're going to lift this way. Ready? Here we go. And lift. 1, 2. So this one is all about trying to keep that knee up. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And pulse it up. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. Side kung fu. So we're going to bring it. Oh, sorry. We're going to do, no, we'll skip that one. We're going to bring the knee back now at an angle, kind of back here. We're going to turn out and turn in. So keep it back instead of forward. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Out. 2. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shake it out if you need to. Yeah, this is baby movements, right? All right, other side. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now pulse it up. 1, 2. And 12. Now side parallel. Here we go. Lift. 1. 7, 8, 9. It burns so good, right? 11, 12. Now pulse it. 1, 2. My leg's dropping. It's getting tired. 10, 11, 12. All right. Bring the knee back. We're going to turn out, turn in. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, and 12. Woo. Push out if you need to. All right. Back to the other side. We're going to do ragdoll dog. That's where you make little half circles. Make sure you lean forward. You shouldn't feel anything in your back. All right. Lift the leg. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift 1, 2. This one always makes me feel very uncoordinated. Yep. Of course, now I've lost count already.
I'm saying 12.
12. All right. We're going to do some kung fu. Here we go. And hiya. Remember this one, you have to keep the knee up if you want to feel all the burn all the way down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Keep it up there. Last one on this side. Pulse it. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Woo! Other leg. All right, leg up. Wag the dog. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2. Remember, if it gets too much, you can always lower the leg or just hold it for a couple seconds and take a break. What are we on, Geraldine?
11.
And 12. All right, here you go. Kung Fu. And 1. Knee up as best you can. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, keep it there and let's pulse it. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Woo! That's how I think a little bit faster now that we know what we're doing. Take a break from your bar or your chair. Let's go ahead and go do the abs. So onto the floor. We gotta work on our star bodies, right?
I use a butterfly stretch.
This is our first workout is reach for the stars, our star bodies. All right. Legs up. Arms. Remember, if you have to put your hands behind your head, that's fine. 5, 6, 7, lift. 1, 2, 5, 6. Remember this one's about the shoulders coming off?
12.
All right, 12, she says. All right, Calinetics are next. Knees are bent. Grab your inner thighs. Elbows up. And pull.
50 now when you breathe it.
50, here we go. And go. 1, 2. 13, 14, 15. Go at your own pace, of course. You don't have to keep up with me. 25, 26, 27. 38, 39, 40, 41, 47, 48, 49, and 50. All right, last one is dead bugs. So again, up here is a good starting point. If you want more of a challenge, put your legs out more. All right, belly button in. If it hurts your back, put your hands underneath your butt. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, and 12. You need to pull it in. This also helps to stretch out your butt. You can put your hands down. Put your hands above your head to help stretch out your stomach. And of course, roll to the side and then push up to be safe for your back. We have one more round, ladies. Can we handle it? We can do it, Belle. Come on. We can do it. Just to keep it smaller. You can just do little ones, baby ones. You got this. All right. Get some water, you guys, if you need it. Just think, it's our last round, then you can cool down and be done. All right. So again, if there's any pressure on your back, lean forward, or if you want to take smaller ones, do smaller ones and take a break. That's not a problem. All right, pick a leg for our torture. Here we go. Hot speed. Our workout. Totally not kidding. All right, here we go. Donkey kicks. And 1, 2. 9, 10, 11, 12. Pulse it up. 1, 2. You guys are going too fast. 10, 11, 12. Let's do side lifts. Here we go. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. Usually Daryl's here going, slow down if I go too fast. Now here we go. Pulse it up. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10, 11, 12. Feel the burn. Woo! All right. Put it slightly behind you. We're going to turn in and out. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 and 12. See, we're already done with that one. Whew. All right, other side. And 5, 6, 7, kick. 1. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hold it up and pulse. 1. 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, side knee. Here we go. 1. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Pulse it up. Oh my goodness, burn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how much lower my knee's gotten. 11, 12. All right, put the knee behind you. In and out. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 10, 11, and 12. All right. First half of butts is done. All right, so second half, now we're back to dog. Okay. All right, leg behind you. 5, 6, 7, and 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Now knee, kung fu. 1. Hi-ya. I know it's terrible sounding, isn't it? Maybe I shouldn't do my sound effects. 5. Now this one's about to heaving that knee up for the ultimate burn. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You guys know I just pick up a number, and if you guys don't correct me, I assume it's right. All right, here we go. Pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, quick shake it out. Other side, wide the dog. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, here we go. Kung Fu. Hi-ya. 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Keep leg there. Let's pulse it out. 1, 2, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good job. We're done with the butt part. Woohoo! All right, move this out of the way. Let's finish up with our abs, and then we'll do our cool down. Again, if you're tired, you can always just sit out around until a couple, or just hold it. All right. Reaching for the stars. Now we're going to star poses. All right. 5, 6. Oh, wait, we're starting with the bell. There we go. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 1, 2. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. All All right, bend the knees, calisthenics. Inner thighs, let's grab them. Elbows lifted. Roll yourself up. Hands by your side. Here we go, 50. 1. 12, 13, 14. 27, 28, 29, 30. Of course, go at your own pace on these. But they are supposed to be very small movements. 47, 48, 49, and 50. All right, one more. We got this. Knees up, dead bugs. I'm gonna put my legs a little more out. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Let's stretch out a little bit. Woo, boy. It's going to be really hard to get off this floor, isn't it? All right, roll the side. Push yourself up. Cool down time. Oh. The time change always messes with my body. So some similar moves to our Thursday cool down. This one's kind of a different order. This time we start in warrior. So back leg is turned out and straight. You push yours forward. You're going to push. And then windmill the arms. Push. And windmill. Everything's in 4s. This is 3. 1 more. 4. Now turn just your hips. Warrior. Go down and up. 2 more of these. 1 more. All right, feet forward. Here we go. Go. Front, back, circle. Front, back, out of wide, but I just love this part. Pull that right here. It just feels really good on my back. And 1 more of these. Now right angle, turn out the front leg, lunge, tuck your butt, and look up at your arm. We're just going to hold this. All right, back to the top. So you're going to push and windmill. Back leg is turned out and straight. 2 more. 1 more. Turn the hips. Down and up. Down. One more. All right, feet forward, and you go. Front, back. If you can't go all the way down, go to your knees. Knee, knee, and front, back. 1 more. All right, we're going to go into runner's lunge, part 2. We're just going to hold it. If your legs are really tired, you can always put your knee down. Otherwise, try to keep your legs straight. All right, downward dog. At a bent knee if you can. If you can't, just hold downward dog. Square up your shoulders. All right, we're going to pulse it in. If this is too hard, you can always just hold the push-up position. Otherwise, you're going to go pulse, pulse, swing it up. 2 more of these. 1 more. And step through. Back leg is turned out. We're in pyramid. runner's lunge. So on the last round on this side. All right, downward dog. Add a bent leg if you can. All right, double pulse it in. Here you go. Pulse, swing. 2 more sets. 1 more. All right, step through pyramid. Turn out the back leg. Try to get your nose on your knee. I'm a little too far, but I'm trying. All right, step together and roll up. Woo. Feel good? All right, other side. That's my favorite cool down. All right, other side. Okay, back leg turned out and straight. Look at our calories here, ladies, are doing great. Here you go, and push, and push, and windmill. And 3. 1 more of these, push. Now turn just your upper body. Down, and up. Down. 2 more of these. All right, feet forward. Here we go. Front, back, circle. 2 more. Front, back, circle. 1 more. All right, triangle. Turn out the front leg. Lunge. Tuck your butt. Is this our first time or second time? First. Tush. And 3. And 4. And turn the hips. See, it doesn't look like we're in the gym right now, so I'm asking you guys questions and you're responding. And down. And up. And down. And up. All right, feet forward. Here we go. Front, back, circle. 2 more. All right, right angle, turn out, tuck, and look up. All right, now for part 2, runner's lunge. All right, next, downward dog with a bent knee, or just downward dog. Square off your shoulders. All right, pulse it in. 1, and swing it up. Here's number 3, pulse, and up, and number 4. All right, step through for pyramid. Turn out the back leg. I'm trying to get my nose on my knee, but still no luck. All right, back to runner's lunge. For the last stretch, ladies. All right, downward dog with the bent knee. pulse. 1, 2, swing it up. Again, 2, 3, and 4. Here we go, pulse. And step through for pyramid. Both legs are straight. Push your lower back down for a deeper stretch. And step together. And roll up. Good job. Great workout, you guys. Good job.